Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add additional languages for captions on your Samsung or Android phone. So go to your settings guys, and you want to go to accessibility, and then you want to click on hearing enhancements. Right from here you will find live caption, so you want to tap on that. And of course, if you want to use a live captions, all you have to do is just toggle this on, and whenever a speech is coming from your phone, whether from YouTube, Instagram, or whichever application you are using, it will do the live caption. However, if you click on the languages, you will see that you will have a single language added there, and this is coming from your phone or the cap, and this is coming from the default language that you have set on your phone, which means that if there is another language speaking on your phone, then it will not work, right? The caption will not work because it will only detect the English language or whichever language you have set. So you'll have to add additional languages in order to have those language caption or translated. So all you have to do is just simply click the plus and find whichever language there. So let's say I would like to do it for German or Polish or whatever it might be. I just need to go ahead and click on that language to download it. So you'll click the download button, then click add language, and it will go ahead and add that language to your language list. Now you will see, if you look right there, it's currently added. So what this means now, that anytime my phone will be speaking in English or German, then it will now translate, or it will show me the caption for these two languages. And that's it guys. That's how you can easily add additional caption languages on your Android or Samsung phone. You see as well towards the right hand side that you have a delete button, so you can always go ahead and delete languages by simple tap on the delete button and hit remove language, and you can easily delete the language just like that. Very easy and very simple.